Hey, how's it going everyone? Mick Ambrose from All About Tech. Welcome back to another video. This is a very special video. I know I've already uploaded today, but this is, like I said, a very special video. So, obviously, for those of you that haven't heard the Electroneum Anthem song yet, go and watch it. It's absolutely amazing. But actually, this video is the world premiere of the official music video for Electroneum Anthem. Written by Logan Evan Thomas, performed by Nave Savage, and the video is produced by M System. And it's absolutely fantastic. And you watch the actual video and it shows how powerful the message is and where ETN is going and how they're going to be helping so many people across the world. Electroneum has gone through so much in the last several months, and the main thing that's helped them get through it and the main thing that is making them succeed is teamwork. It's all good having the most talented blockchain developers, etc., but if you don't work together with other team members that are good in their own ways, and you gel well together, you won't succeed. It's all about working together. Amazon isn't just about Jeff Bezos, it's about everyone behind the scenes. Microsoft isn't just about Bill Gates, it's about everyone working together behind the scenes. Apple is not just about Tim Cook, it wasn't just about Steve Jobs, it's all about the people working together in the background to produce those products, to produce those services. And this is why I'm so proud of the Electroneum community. I'm so proud to be a part of the community. And yeah, so that's what we're going to talk about. That's all I really want to say in regards to this. I just want to get straight into it and unveil it. So, without further ado, this is Electroneum Anthem, performed by Nave Savage, written by Logan Evan Thomas, and video produced by M Systems. This is the official music video. I really hope you enjoy it. Smash that like button, subscribe to All About Tech, and thank you so much for choosing me to unveil this amazing music video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I really hope you enjoy it. Peace out.
Are you ready? The time is now. It's about to go down. You hear the knocking. Open the door. Because we're breaking down the walls. And everybody wins. We'll reach the unbanked. On the road to mass adoption. It's closer than you think. So join the huddle gang and pick up the phone. With endless possibilities, the sky can't hold us down. Mobile miners, instant payments, gig economy. The $3 trillion enablement currency. And not just numbers, we got love in our community. Prosperity for all, I'm claiming it to the world. Electroneum, game changer. Electroneum, ground shaker. It's the currency of the future. Ain't no stopping the revolution, no. Financial freedom to our people all over the world. Everybody rise up. Can you feel it in the air? It's only a matter of time. 'Cause there's no other. Can't compare, y'all better fall in line. 'Cause everybody wins, we'll reach the unbanked. ETN is transforming lives and climbing the ranks. We got that master plan, don't nobody sell. As we stand behind our fearless leader, Richard Ells. And mobile miners, instant payments, gig economy. The $3 trillion enablement currency. And not just numbers, we got love in our community. Prosperity for all, I'm claiming it to the world. Electroneum, game changer. Electroneum. currency of the future. Ain't no stopping the revolution, no. Financial freedom to our people all over the world. Everybody sing the anthem. Everybody, Electroneum. Come on, game changer, game changer. Electroneum. Ground shaker, ground shaker. It's the currency of the future. Ain't no stopping the revolution, no. Financial freedom to our people all over the world. Everybody rise up.